Okay, hey guys. So I've been getting a lot of questions on how to set up the app for Infinite Options by Hulk. So if you want your shop to look like this, where you have your style list, your customers can choose all different stylings with all different prices, and then for size to pop up, that can also have additional costs the higher the size. Um, then I can show you how to do that. So, first things first is, of course, you will download the Infinite Product Options. You'll go to Apps, customize your store. It'll pop up the Shopify marketplace, and then you can download from there. So, once you go into it, you have to agree with their privacy settings, things like that. So, the first thing that you want to do is it'll make you choose a plan. You will need to choose conditional logic if you would like to be able to have it where I choose something and something else pops up. So, conditional logic is where options are given to your customers based upon their previous choices. So, if I choose beanie, then the beanie sizing will pop up. If I choose bloomers, then the bloomers will pop up. And as you can see, those are two totally different size sets. And that's why you'd want to have conditional logic. Um, as well as, there are also some styles that you may offer that have add-ons, whereas others do not. Um, so this client specifically can do add-ons for, just anything. But, if you may have a certain style that can come with or without maybe a cowl, it's getting colder, things like that. It's also something that you could use it for. So you'll want to choose the advanced plan. Okay. Then you'll want to go to option settings, and let's go ahead and start the style list. So I'm going to do the drop down. Okay, so if your shop offers bummies, say your bummies are regularly, we'll say $18. I don't actually know what those start out at. I make them each different. Okay, so then you would go ahead and save this. You're going to go ahead and add another one, and then you'll choose size. And then this is where you'll want to do, as you can see, it's got a bunch of the other ones from where I've done it for other clients. But you'll say, bummy sizing, and then as you can see, I've got a bunch of different ones on here. So drop down. I personally like drop down. It's a lot cleaner, especially when you have a lot of options. But you can always do the buttons or radios or whatever. It's just a lot cleaner. So I really recommend using the drop down. But you can do whatever. So this is a very small boutique. We can only do 3 to 9. So that's all. Well, we'll do 12. That's all I'm feeling today. And here you can do if you want to do $2 extra for larger sizes. So that's how you do that. Um, and just for purposes, I'll just kind of show you. You'll want to upload your size charts again and again. So one for each that you did. So I think I did Leo's. Sorry. Card sizing is only available in 6 months. And then you'll want to go to option sets. So you want to create a full option set. So let's say we'll do full clothing. Full style list. And then, like I said, I only made 2 sizing ones, but you'll want to have a sizing graph for each option that, of course, requires sizes. And then an important next step is to select your custom products. So select products. I only have one product, one test product on right now. Save. I didn't name it at all. Oh, for some reason it popped up. All right, well, the app crashed. So that was great. That happens sometimes, especially whenever you're in a test store. So this isn't a real store. This is one I just, um, I can't even transfer it to somebody. I can't even make this a live store. Let's see, clothing options, full style list, leotard sizing, bummy size. Okay, hey, sorry. Had a little tech malfunction there. But got the clothing option saved. So here's the clothing option set. Now you want to come over to conditions, select add new. So if full styling list is equal to bummies, then you'll want to show bummy size. Add another one. If full styling list is equal to Leo's, then show Leo sizing. And that is how you create conditional logic to where you get this, where if I choose beanie, only the beanie sizes will show up. If I choose peplum, only the peplum sizes will show up. Let's go ahead and add it to the cart. This is what will show up as $93. Discount codes do work. I don't know what a discount code is for this store, but discount codes can still apply. You can check out, and it will say $93. And it will say here what you all got, everything that you need. There you go.